nalaman ko na hindi pala talaga siya galit sa akin. And ayun. I wanna connect more with... Hello! I wanna connect more with Brent. Kasi, oo, alam ng lahat na magkasama kami outside pero wala pa kaming like deep talk. Hindi ko siya kilala. Hindi niya ako kilala. Siguro naiisip niya na we're close. Pero, ayun, wala akong alam sa buong story niya as well as siya sa akin. Kaya, ayun, medyo naiilang din ako ng very slight. Yun lang.
Thanks, Sneer.
So scared. Okay, I'm thankful for Mika. I mean, I think I've been telling you this the whole day today and parang sobrang timely na dumating tayo ngayon sa ganitong point. But I'm really thankful for you because you just make me feel so safe. I mean, I feel like it's just really like an instant connection with the both of us and you just wala, parang nalalabas ko yung totoong ako kapag nandyan ka and I hope it stays the same. Ayun, parang feeling ko after this, feeling ko kaya natin maging best friends until, you know, we grow old. Parang ganun yung feel kasi. I'm sorry na ba? I'm sorry to AC. I'm sorry, AC ko. I'm sorry it took us a while to actually be able to talk. Sorry kung nasaktan kita. I'm sorry na hindi tayo. I'm sorry because of, you know, the circumstances that we have. Hindi tayo makapag-build ng connection. Alam mo na yun, we had to talk about this. Sorry. And, that was the last one?
Connect. I wanna
I
connect.
wanna connect. I wanna connect more with. Siguro reconnect with Will. I mean, it took us a while to actually open up to each other again. Pero I hope we can start over from scratch. No. Yeah. Thank you.
Ano yan?
I have a crush on.
I'm grateful for I'm sorry. I'm grateful for I'm sorry. I wanna connect
I'm
with.
grateful for Sneer. Yeah. Emotional siya para sa akin. Tagal na kita gusto kausapin. Parang sabihin sa'yo na na-appreciate kita. Narinig niyo naman siguro week ago na sobrang down ako bago pumasok dito. Wala, gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi gaya ng sabi ni Gab kanina, parang for you, nagjo-joke ka lang, ganyan, natural mo, pero na-save mo ako dun sa lowest ko. Ang pangit naman ang timing na.
That's for me.
Anyways, I'm sorry to Ash. Nag-usap na rin tayo about dito. And happy ako na nakapag-usap tayo ng maayos. Yung sa healthy na paraan. And yeah, I'm sorry din dun sa mga nasabi ko. Yung mga nasabi ko na rin sa'yo. And ano yun?
I wanna connect with.
I wanna connect with. Pwede bang dalawa? Sige. I wanna connect with Bianca din. Reconnect. Kasi kilala ko lang siya bilang katrabaho. I mean, hindi buo. Kumaga, wala. Interesado ako makilala ka. Talaga. And kay Michael. Kasi nung nasa labas pa kami, talagang nangangasan kami sa isa't isa. Pero isa rin yun, na parang interesado din ako makilala ka. Yun lang.
Love you, bro. I'm really grateful for Ate Clam. Mama's boy ako so I miss my mom so much. In your presence alone, pinaparamdam mo sa amin na may take ka. At yung pagmamahal na yun sa simpleng pagluto mo pa lang, paghanda mo ng pagkain, nakaka-touch yung Ate Clam. Kasi kung wala kami kakainin. And siguro, you're one of the reasons why kumpleto tong pamilya na to eh. Kasi you play a very substantial role na talagang nakakatulong for me personally. And I'm grateful for that. So thank you for all your efforts. I'm sorry to my duo. Ralph, kasi it's the least I wanted to be coming in. Because you have to understand, Ralph is so genuine, so selfless. I think a story that I can share is I'm always beside him pag kumakain. And this guy's big, he's strong. And I eat a lot, but he must eat a lot too. But this guy, he waits until the last para kumuha ng pagkain because he wants all of us to be full, to be okay. Habang siya yung nagsasaing So, observation ko yun since day one when I told him we were partners. And getting to know you better, bro, the fact that entering this house, you were the least I expected to connect with, mahirap. Like, ikaw yung isa sa hindi ko alam na magko-connect tayo. So, again, I'm also grateful na naging duo kita, but I'm sorry kasi this week medyo napunta tayo sa delikadong posisyon. But I appreciate you so much. So much. And siguro I want to connect with Brent more. For me, yung duo natin was really fun. And I'm just sad that nabitin. Kasi honestly, natuwa ako nung nasa pag-separate kasi kami, may sariling groups. Pero nung nag-connect tayo, somehow we still managed to do it together. Yeah, hopefully we connect regardless of what happens. Love you guys.
years, and I feel like inside, I've known River outside, but I've never gotten this close to him. And just having someone there to talk about anything with, and not being afraid to be judged or feel like I'm choosing sides or feel like I'm talking bad or good about someone. I feel like I just found that comfort and that genuinity from you. So thank you. I'm sorry to Esnir, because I feel like in this house so much of the pressure is put on you to bring everyone's moods up, to lighten the room, to just bring up the mood. And even when we have problems, like last time when we wanted to talk to AZ about Charlie, you were never originally supposed to be there, but we had to bring you in syempre kasi duo mo yun. Then somewhere along the lines, miscommunications happened and somehow there was blame still put on you when it was just us asking for a favor in the first place. So I just want to tell you that we are sorry and very grateful for everything that you do for this house. And I feel like without you, this house would be so much more quiet, so much less happy than it actually is.
Yep.
And I want to connect more with Mika. I feel like our time as a duo got cut short when we were only starting to get the ball rolling. And I just want to really get to know you better and get to know you deeper, especially knowing you from the outside world then. So I want to get to know you more outside of that situation. And I think that's happening naman.
Go. Get the flower.
Ko talaga dito is gusto ko mag-thank you sa'yo. 2 weeks kami partner ni River. Nakita ko yung pagiging totoo niya. Never siya nag-fail tanungin ako kung okay lang ba ako, kamusta ako. Paalalahanan ako. Parang naging kapatid ko na rin talaga si River. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
I'm grateful for Esnir. It's so hard. It's so hard to put a smile on other people's faces and to hide what you're dealing with inside also. And grabe talaga yung joy that you bring this group, Esnir. You don't know how much joy you bring to each and every one of us. I can't imagine being here without you, Esnir. Honestly. Grabe talaga. Ang boring siguro, honestly. But then, I'm so grateful that you make us all laugh, you make us all smile, and grabe yung utak mo. Grabe ang talino mo. For the past few days, wala kang no rest. Tuloy-tuloy. From the day na you had to do 9 characters, the next day, we had to shoot the performance, and that was all mostly you also, Esnir. Kaya sobrang grateful ako, and you're such a strong person, and it pains me to see you sad. It really does. I'm sorry to Will. I'm sorry. Team tayo eh. We're a team. We fall together, we rise together. It's us. I'm sorry na yung first week medyo hindi tayo nagsasalita as much. And it took me a while to open up to you. Pero I'm proud of you. I'm very, very proud of you talaga. Grabe, I saw your improvement talaga from the first week to now the second week. I see your initiative na others might not see, pero kita ko, bro. Kita ko talaga. Kaya proud na proud ako sa'yo.
Okay.
I want to connect more with Ate Klang. Ate Klang, you're always so busy cooking, always in the kitchen. And kaya lagi lang ako nandun. I just want to, I observe, I watch you cook, pero I want to know you more, Ate Klang. I want to talk to you more, and I want to know what you feel also, Ate Klang.
Let's talk.
I appreciate you so much, Ate Klang. Thank you.
First one. Honestly, hindi pa rin ako mapag-decide kung kanino ako grateful kasi mostly naman parang I'm grateful for all of you guys. But I think the past few days I'm really grateful for Charlie because she reminds me so much of home. I think having her here parang meron akong nakakabatang kapatid. So yun, parang mas nagiging sane ako because of her. And then I'm sorry to Ate Klang. Lagi siya sinasama magluto. I try to be around her as much as I could. Kasi hindi ko kaya sabihin sa kanya na I'm really grateful for her. Siya yung nag-aalaga talaga sa amin. And isa ako sa mga panganay dito. But I think ang layo ng nagagawa ko as compared sa nagagawa niya para sa ating lahat. So, thank you kasi, sorry kasi parang pasan mo lahat. So, I'm sorry for that. And then, I wanna connect with River. Pansin ko din the past few days how kind you are. I think you're one of the most genuine, if not the most genuine person I've met. I want to learn from you, bro. I really want to learn from you.
I'm so grateful for Ate Klang.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Because ever since I was a kid, super gusto ko na talaga ng ate. Though, middle child ako, pero never ko na feel na may kapatid ako na mas older sa akin. So ever since, feeling ko ako yung pinaka eldest sa magkakapatid. So every time na niyayakap kita, parang feeling ko may sister ako na matagal ko nang pinapangarap. And I'm so sorry for Josh, just because feeling ko sa lahat ng boys, sa'yo ko pinaka nahihirap mag-connect. I don't know why. Yeah, ikaw yung parang, basta, yun. And I wanna connect more with Esnir. Cause parang I wanna be part of your success. Cause I know you deserve it. And also, nararamdaman ko yung pangarap mo na yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo. And yun, gusto kong maging part kung paano mo siya abutin.
Love you. Naiiyak na ako para pag sila.
other, and then nakakapag-rant ako sa kanya, and I really talk to him. No filter, no anything. And he just listens, and he advises, and then kahit anong sabihin ko, he's just there. Isang tinginan lang namin or lalapit lang ako sa kanya, sasabihin niya, labas loob. Kasi he knows na I want to talk. So, sobrang grateful ako kay Josh, and he knows a lot. He listens to all of my problems. And another person I'm grateful for is si Ralph. I know lagi ko mention about yung sa weekly task, pero sobrang na-appreciate kita nun. Sobrang napakalma mo talaga ako nun. Na-appreciate kita. And then, one thing na tumatak sa akin was you saw me here alone. You were doing something, you were throwing the trash. And then parang matagal ka nagtapon because you wanted to stay to give me company siguro. And you kept asking if I was okay. Ayun. And then, binalikan mo ako after what you had to do. Binalikan mo ako to talk to me. Then, kinalma mo ako ulit. Na-appreciate kita sobra nun. I'm really sorry, Charlie. Sa first week, nagka-misunderstanding? Not really. Yeah?
Ang butni mo!
Pero pero like, there were some rants, there were some things said, but what I really like also about both of us, we don't take it too hard. We understand each other because we both have the same personality. And then, wala, we just really get each other. So, but if ever you really got nasaktan ka with what I said and how I act sometimes, I'm sorry. I want to connect to with Esnir more. I feel like nakat short yung time natin sa duo. And every time I get asked who's my favorite person here, ikaw gid. Kanina we were talking there sa may trash can. I got to know you more, and it was our first like really open talk, and you're one of the persons na I'm really really grateful for also din, kasi you understand me a lot and
Love you, sis.
love you, partner. And like I really appreciated how you defended me when we were here. Nagka-misunderstanding, pero turns out you were defending me talaga. Na-appreciate kita nun. And I want to know you more. I want to connect with you more, and I want you to be my favorite person here inside and outside also. Yun lang. Thank you.
And goodbye.
Thanks for today.
I'm incredibly grateful to you, Esnir.
Oh, sobra.
Happy
birthday.
Dalawa. Ikaw muna. I'm so incredibly grateful for you kasi gaya ng nasabi ng iba, ramdam ko yung pressure that's on you to make all of us happy, and that's really, really hard. And ako, I'm not a funny person, and there are times where I really wish that I could make you smile, that I could make you happy, just to give back to you some way. And just thank you so much for all of the happiness that you bring to all of us. I never take that for granted. Kita mo naman. And I'm also incredibly grateful for you, Josh. Hi. Grabe. Salong-salo mo lahat ng emotions ko. whenever I'm alone, you're like one of the very few people that actually comes out to look for me and to check on me to see how I'm doing. So, thank you. It really means a lot to me. I'm also sorry to you dahil alam kong medyo mabigat yun. And I know it's hard to hold space for other people's emotions next to yours. So, sorry for that. I'm also sorry to you, Charlie. If ever there are times where nagkulang ako sa pagiging ate sa'yo, ayun, I wish that you could teach me more, and I would like to know more about you so I can be a better ate to you. And I'd really like to connect more with you, Mika. I truly feel na you're a really genuine person, and there are times where I want to talk to you, hindi ko lang alam talaga kung ano yung pwede nating pag-usapan dahil medyo nahihiya ako. But I feel you, so thank you for that. And I really want to connect with you.
I'm really, really grateful for Brent and AC. I was really scared to come in and meet the kapamilya, like scared and super excited. And I didn't expect that I'd connect with you guys then here. And you guys were the bridge to me to get to know everyone else more too. I'm really sorry to Ate Klang. There were a lot of times that parang we were trying to get to know each other or like small talk, pero always siya nakakat. Kasi parang minsan the timing, the lapel, yung mga ganon. And I wish I could get to know you more talaga. Sometimes I don't know how, pero I hope you know that I'm trying and I really want to. I want to connect to Bianca as my new duo. We've only had like one sit-down talk. Pero wala kang sinabi talaga. Like,
Mamaya.
sabi mo, in the next takdang panahon.
Kasi tinatanong mo sa akin kung ano type ko. Paano ko doon naman?
Hindi kasi, nagtanong ka sa akin.
Sige.
Ano
Mamaya
type mo?
sasagutin ko yan.
Tapos ngayon, ano type mo? Ay, hindi ko sasagutin. Okay. But I wanna get to know you more. Kasi you're an amazing cook din. I see the passion. I see the drive. I see everything. I see you. So I wanna get to know you more, babe.
You.
Go, Nicholas. Ako.
I should just not. Yeah. I want to connect with my mother, Ate Klang. Siyempre, Ate Klang, hindi na kasi ko yung duo, but nung simula pa lang gusto kong, hindi ko lang kasi alam kung paano kita kang kakausapin. It's not, I don't know if it's the age or something, but I don't know, I tried to, gusto kitang makilala, Ate Klang. At natutuwa ako na mas nakilala kita ngayon. Maybe it's faith, everything happens for a reason. Kaya siguro tayo naging duo para mas makilala kita. Ang bait niyo po, Ate Klang. Parang, yes, we have an age gap, pero gusto rin kita makilala as a friend. As a mother. But you're a very nice person, Ate Klang. And I'm really happy na kayo po yung naging partner ko. Yeah. Ay, pwede po isa pa. Siguro si Esnir. Mom and Dad. Yeah.
Mistiso yung anak mo.
I want to get to know Esnir kasi I know you, but I don't know you.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Parang kilala kita pero hindi kita kilala eh. Mas gusto kita maalala. Parang may mga kwento kang hindi ko alam. Paano ka naging si Esnir? Mga ganun. Kaya I'm very curious about who you are. So yeah. Love you all.
Yay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys being vulnerable and for really sharing everything that's genuine to you. And sana lahat ng mga gustong mag-connect, you take this chance to really connect. Make the most out of this week. It's gonna be your first rough week, right? Kasi may mawawala. So, as a house guest, I want to see you guys stronger before I leave. And I want everyone na nagsabi na you want to connect with by the end of this week, I'm happy that I connected with, right? And it's good that you guys do this once in a while to check on each other, to hear compliments, and to forgive one another. Yun lang. Thank you guys.
Yung sa connect ko rin pala with the boys eh. I wanna connect with the lads too.
Bawal masalita pa.
Sorry.
May base ka ba, Josh? Charot, joke lang. Group hug naman kayo. Tayo, sali ako.
Yes.
guys.
We're grateful for you.
Thank you.
Thank you for
thank
this.
you.
Love you, Gabby!
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
You have to read na.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, love
Thank you.
guys.
Appreciate you guys.
Love you all.
Love y'all! Love y'all.
Bagyo!
Ano to?
Bagyo!
PBB collab on 3!
Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
PBB collab on 3! 1, 2, 3!
PBB collab! Nice one. Okay, babalik ko na to kay Lord Jesus Christ. Kinuha ko siya sa altar. Thank you.
I wasn't able to say that.
Thank you for getting to know me.
Apologize. I'm so grateful for you. I'm so sorry. And I want to connect with you. Ikaw ba yung nakainom ng gayon?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Pero yeah. Check lang.
Group.
Uy, leader pa kami sa... Love you, Josh. Sorry that...
Proud of you.
Thank you. I feel bad because like...
Lalaban natin.
You're like...
I don't know. I lahat these things. I'm good at these things.
I'm really sorry.
Okay. Figure it out. Yeah.
But thanks.
That's sweet.
Hope we get closer.
Pero alam mo ba, to be honest,
Love you, brother. Love you, Atik lang!
Hindi ka?
Lagi ikaw din. Good to know.
Mom!
Kasi ano eh.
Hey, Charlie.
Takdang panahon.
Wala muna.
You do, I forgot to tell you.
Diba? I love you so much!
Don't cry, bro.
Hindi na pa ako na-homesick, diba? You remind me of your dogs. Sabi mo, umiiyak ka. You remind me of your dogs.
This is great. I love you.
Charlie! I love you! Ayoko. Kita na sabi kasi akala ko isa lang talaga.
I miss you, Brek.
Sobrang para sa You know how I'm so grateful for you and I'm happy that
Mika. Grateful for you, Babs.
Nagtatampo sa akin to kasi hindi ko siya sinabi.
Tatampo na dapat ako eh.
let's connect more to kasi!
Father. Huwag muna. Pag may mat na tayo, makapagalitan ako. Uy!
Hello, Pilipino!
From online to now, less than kasama ko sa
Manghang hindi.
Sama si Reba.
Ano doon?
Mangang.
Sabi ko, manghang hindi. Sabi, oo.
Mangang to?
Oo. Eh? Tatlo? Ha? Oh my God. Oh. Sino to?
Hindi naman ah.
Are you? How are you, man? How are you?
Feel ko, parang iba yung pagod today.
I'm gonna answer your question.
Okay, babe. Whenever you're ready, set, go.
Ito talaga yung pinakamahirap na sagutin. What's your type?
Hindi naman, not just the type, like any question,
Yeah,
like anything lang
anything.
talaga.
Niloko lang.
Aw. First time seeing Esme and Brent again together.
Yeah.
Really?
They talk a lot, pero minsan lang kasi. Na parang they're making their own kwento talaga.
Doon tayo.
I'm so thankful kay Brent. Like,
Yeah.
it's insane.
Kuyang-kuya mo talaga yan.
I don't know, you saw me like when he hugged me, I was crying like
Yeah.
so hard.
Right.
So thankful kay Brent.
Ikaw, kumusta ka naman?
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's it.
Gotcha.
Man, it's hard, honestly.
Which part?
Everything. I'm sorry. Like, I'm like so sorry to you guys.
Why?
Sakit sa ulo, umiyak. Sakit na to dala.
Enjoy mo naman yung time mo dito.
Yeah.
Genuine.
Super. Parang ito lang yung nakakapagod na na-enjoy ko.
It's like knowing you. Ever since hirapan ka naman talaga mag... No, like knowing you, like, alam ko naman nahihirapan ka mag-open up. Siyempre, alam mo naman yung pinapasok mo dito. Na hindi ka naman nahihirapan mag-adjust.
Hindi naman. Nung mga, ayun lang, yung pagpasok, first day, second day. Tapos, pinupush kasi talaga ako ni Ate Ivana. First few days talaga. Kaya medyo naging sa akin, madali-dali.
Let's go.
Pero,
Proud of you.
in terms of mga problem, ganyan, nafe-feel ko. Hindi lahat talaga. Pero, binabago ko ngayon. Kasi, yun nga, unang-una, ang hirap pag kinip ko rin sa sarili ko ngayon. Lalo nandito ako sa loob. Wala naman ako ibang magagawa. Hindi ako makakalabas. So, parang natutunan ko rin talaga i-deal yung problem. Mag-open sa mga tao. Grabe. Sa ngayon, sobrang nakaka-drain pa rin siya para sa akin. Nakaka-drain, pero medyo maluwag sa puso.
Oh. Ikaw. You got this. Ay na.
Ba't tumatawa?
Hiliting nga ako dyan.
Kaya ni Ash, I believe in you, girl.
No, ate, no. It's okay. It's okay, ate. I've seen you cry. It's painful. It's okay. It's Freaking Michael. Freaking
Again, I
Michael.
don't. But na, ayoko.
Stop! Alam mo, yun din yung na-realize ko na parang we've never talked. Lagi tayong kulit-kulit or like conversations about home, ganon, but we've never talked.
I think the natural gift that you have is how comfortable you make people feel. Because if you ask all the boys, they love your personality, they love how you are. Because you're bubbly and siguro kahit pa paano, you make me feel like home, but you make everyone feel like they're home din talaga. So you give them some sort of peace that not everyone. You're a blessing to your family. You're a blessing to your friends. You're a blessing to your special someone. You're a blessing to everybody here. Just remember that. You're small, but you're big heart. You have a great heart. It's okay, dude. Paglabas mo, nandun naman ako eh. Kasama ko si Harvey. But thank you, promise. I thought I was gonna have a even harder time connecting.
I was.
But nung kinulit kita, you allowed it and you even reciprocated it. So thank you. Thank you. I'd rather be it like this kahit anong mangyari. Because you deserve to hear and how great you are as a person. Okay? You're an amazing woman. Always remember that.
Oh my gosh.
You're a role model, dude.
No.
All of us, I'm pretty sure everyone here has watched you dance because
That's not gonna do anything.
I know, but siguro it shows just you're already there, you're at the top na, but you're not ever showing that ganun ka na. You're very genuine to all of us. Stop picking on your thumbs, dude.
I don't notice.
Else no one will band-aid it na.
I know. Mamaya ka na. Made me cry ka na. Mamaya ka na talaga. Mamaya ka na. Di ko kaya. Di ko kaya ngayon. I'm sorry. Di ko talaga kaya.
Mother is a monster.
Ginagamit sa akin. Hirap. Sobrang ano ako.
I mean, parang feeling ko tulad naman ng sinabi ni Ate Gabi, kung yun ka naman talaga as a person, hindi mo naman kailangan pilitin kung hindi talaga ikaw yun. Pero nakikita ko yung growth mo from now compared sa pagkakilala ko sa'yo before. Yeah. Gina nga.
Ikaw ba?
Ano?
Musta naman ang ano mo? Buhay mo? Yung komportable ka.
Actually, alam mo, sa totoo lang, diba sa pagkakakilala mo sa akin before, mabilis ako mag-open up. Parang ngayon, feeling ko, nahirapan ako maging emotional, really. Tapos parang iniiwasan ko yung mga talks na sobrang kailangan ko maging open. I don't know. Maybe because bago pa lang din ako here. I mean, 5 days pa lang.
Yeah, baka siguro.
Baka that. Maybe nagbago lang talaga ako from dating ako.
Baka sa
Pero I'll get
experience din. Siguro.
Yeah.
Hindi mo naman, hindi mo kailangan madalhin. Kaya nga pagka may mga ganito, may mga times na dalawa lang tayo din. Paano ko ba sisimulan yung conversation?
Yeah.
Ganun. Napansin ko rin sa'yo na ano ka, iniiwasan mo din yung ibang. Kaya nagulat ako sa'yo kanina eh.
Nung umiyak ako.
Hindi ko
Yeah, parang nahirapan ako magpakita ng weakness for some reason.
Gets naman.
Parang ano lang. Parang kanina, na-realize ko yung na-nominate ko yung parang bumalik sa akin na not all people are really meant to stay in your life forever. So parang bumalik lang yun sa akin na parang eto sa bahay, people will come, people will go. No matter how much you want them to stay, diba? Di naman sila nandyan sa buhay mo permanently.
Gets.
So, it's just hard.
Hirap. Hirap din talaga. Ano pag-attach?
Yeah, it's hard, it's hard.
Yun lang din talaga. Sa labas na lang natuloy.
Yung hayaan na ma-evict kayo ni River is super love ko kayong dalawa.
Gawin namin best namin.
Kaya niya yan. Kaya niya yan.
Feeling ko nga kanina yung sinabi. Ewan ko, parang ganun ulit. Gusto ko muna ano yun sa River. Kasi pansin ko nga sa kanya dito, sobrang ano siya. Sobrang open niya sa nafe-feel niya. Sobrang, yung genuine talaga. Na, super ano eh. Parang napansin ko sa kanya, dinadamdam niya talaga. Yung nangyayari. Simula naging partners kami, na-observe ko talaga sa kanya. Every time na may mga ganap na sad, ganun. At try ko na ano. Kanina usap kami, sabi ko, sorry. Nakakako, iniisip mo. Wala akong pake. Kasi kanina dun sa, nung in-announce, parang chill-chill lang ako. Tapos, parang gusto ko lang talaga yung, ako yung masandalan. Yung ganun. Hirap kasi pag dalawa kami. Ano, sa bayan. Hindi ko gusto ng ganun. Ayoko talaga ng ano, ng drama, ng ganyan. Sobrang stress ako. Makita ko lang, kagaya kanina sila Michael. Iba na epekto talaga sa akin. Ikaw grabe. Nanibago din ako sa'yo.
Sa?
Nanibago ako sa'yo.
Sa akin? Bakit?
I mean, hindi siya ano hindi siya bad. Hindi siya bad. Pagiging open mo. Yung kagaya before. Kaya lang din. Ang days ka pa lang din. We take time.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Maybe tomorrow. Kidding. But, yeah, sa 2 years na yun naman kasi ang dami na rin nangyari. Parang, really had to learn the hard way. Kaya nga kinikilala ko sila as much as possible, isa-isa. So that I can get to that point. Pero at the same time, alam mo, sa totoo lang, natatakot ako ma-attach. Parang a part of me.
Yan din ano ko.
Sakit kayo. Tapos, at the end of the day, kiiwanan lang tayo dito.
Yan din fear ko talaga ba?
Bakit?
Well, I was saying lang na, it's just like so nice that you guys think I'm a good person. I was like, oh, good person.
That we think she's a good person daw.
You know what? I always wonder, paano ka nag-get?
Diba? Oo. At 16.
Alam mo yun? Hindi ako siya sabi at 16.
Sister
Yung talaga
ko.
yung consider ko.
Oo, yun talaga. Super weird. Sobrang...
Super weird. Thanks, man.
No,
But yeah, I get that a lot.
Sister ko, 16 din. Pero hindi layo. Dude,
Brother ko
layo.
14. 2 years na lang agwan niya pero I can't imagine na pag naging 16 siya, ganyan siya ka. Sorry bro.
Sorry, brothers. Naman, ano lang, experience. Like, I can say experience lang.
Pero pag pinagsabihan mo ko, okay lang. Parang ganun.
Seryoso ka?
Pagsasabihan mo, huwag mo pagsabihan.
Oo, bahala ka dyan.
Pero pag ikaw,
Same wavelength siya sa
tayo,
atin eh.
nakakasabay.
yeah.
Sabi, you guys talking YP. I get it. Don't worry guys, I get it.
Iba na talagang generation yun.
Oo nga.
No,
I can
it's,
say.
These kids.
no, cause I listen a lot eh. Like, even though I'm a daldal, I listen a lot. So, yeah, I've never been to YP. But I've heard a lot of YP, so I know. I've never been to CH, but I know a lot of CH, so I know. So, yung mga little things like that, like you guys talk about mature things, I listen a lot about mature things, so I know. I think, like, that's like a solid explanation on why I'm like this din naman, I think. I don't
Si
know.
Mike's. Wala.
True ba?
Pero alam mo, Charlie, parang one thing I learned, ako kasi maaga rin ako tumanda. So ngayon, nire-regret ko na hindi ko na-enjoy.
Nag-rush ka.
Enjoy your time.
Nag-rush ako na hindi ko na-enjoy yung ano ko. So siguro balance lang. Find balance lang.
Hindi mo pasan yung mundo, yun ang masasabi ko. Okay?
Yeah, that's true.
Mamaya pagtanda mo, di ba? Hirap din.
That's hard to say, kasi...
Don't waste your youth.
That's so hard to say. Because I'd rather, like, although, like, there's so many things that I could do, like, there's so many things I could try out and enjoy. But I'd rather see myself as, like, this na na parang, like, how do I explain it?
Kakainis to. Hindi seryoso?
No, I'm trying to explain kasi if you're at that mindset already,
It's like, why change?
Why
Ayaw mo
change
mag-regress na.
Ayaw mo magpapaakyat. Oh.
Balance
I don't
lang.
wanna-
Find balance lang.
For me lang,
it's cause,
I
especially
want you
when
to take your time. Because I don't want you to burn out early.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever.
Like yung flicker mo, it's gonna burn out early. Pag mawawala yun agad yung spark mo.
Yeah.
Promise.
Yeah, kasi meron ka ng awareness eh. Aware
Kaya
ka eh.
nga, that's why I'm saying it's hard kasi I'm aware na. I'm aware of a lot of things na talaga. So, when you're going in like the course of life, ang galing. You're already so aware of different things that you try to avoid some things na, especially when you know that they're not beneficial for you or they're not meant for you, you avoid it na. Kaya, basta, mahirap i-explain
No, I get
din
it.
yan
I get it. Like you're so aware of what not to do and what
Third
to
year.
stay away from because it's not gonna help you get to where you-
cry. Akala ko dalawa lang.
At the same
What's
time.
happening up in this
If
place?
something crosses your
Happening
mind
up in this
that you
place.
wanna try, that's not gonna hurt you, just do it. As in, like, let's say you wanna go surfing, I don't know, random.
Mm.
Do it. You have time. Don't say na, no, I have to work kasi I have to work. It's not, we're not telling you to let go of your responsibilities. We're just, as people who've gone through whatever at your age, we're just hoping that you take life a little less seriously.
Mm.
Live. Live not for
Others.
what you think you have to become,
Mm.
but day by day, just enjoy.
That's so hard to
Tingin niya kasi parang she has to carry her family or ano.
I think it's not sex of family, but more of myself.
You wanna do so much, no?
Malatang high achiever.
Hindi naman. Parang there are just things that I need to avoid as I get older. And there are already like big problems I've been through when like,
Na you
just, like
can't really talk about.
that I can't talk about. Like,
Yeah.
like
Hati din kasi. Michael, halo eh. Pag River, seryoso. Dustin naman, parang Michael lang din. Pero mas nakausap ko si Michael.
dito pa talaga tayo nagkita, no? Yes. Nako.
Another collab. Nakakatuwa. Diba?
Super.
Ang dami nangyari. Tsaka yung growth din ng career mo. Sobrang...
Ikaw yun.
Pareho lang tayo.
Ikaw yun.
Pareho lang tayong film tsaka serie.
Grabe, yung sa'yo film talaga.
Oh, film din naman
I mean,
iyo,
cameo lang yung sa akin, pero yung sa'yo, grabe.
Achievement pa rin.
Tama ba? MMFF?
Hindi.
Ay, sorry.
Cinema na.
Cinemalaya, sorry.
Pwede ba yan? Sorry po.
Ay.
Pero yan. Mas naisip ko or nalaman ko yung ano talaga ng buhay. Lahat. Grabe talaga kanina, hindi ko maintindihan.
Yung ano.
Naririnig ko kayo pero ay nakikita ko kayo pero di ko kayo naririnig.
Sana. Talaga? Saan part?
Nakaupo lang ako doon kanina.
Really? Really?
Oo. Oo kanina. Tapos yun lang utak ko, iniisip ko kung pupunta ba ako kay kuya. Ayoko. Ganun.
Iniisip ko nga kung pupuntahan kita doon or not, pero iniisip ko baka you needed to spend time alone. Ano na-feel mo noon? Were you panicking or...
Hindi naman. Ang dami lang talaga. Yung utak ko lang talaga. More outside. Yung mga nangyayari. Mas ang concern ko kasi talaga family.
Like kung kamusta sila ngayon. Really?
Isang bagay pa na nakapagpabigat. Diyos ko po. Hindi ba nga nominate? Huling chat ko sa nanay ko. Sabi ko, I'll make you proud. Tapos ganun yung nangyari. Kaya sobrang heavy siya para sa akin. Tapos isang bagay pa, sa River. Siyempre. Siyempre gusto ko pareho kami pataas.
Kaya nyo yan. Fight kayong dalawa. Kaya nyo yan.
Laban.
Hindi ako biased, pero naniniwala ako sa inyong dalawa. And the both of you are so loved also in this house.
Thank you.
Pareho kayo.
Sana.
Sobra. Kaya alam mo, sobrang swerte sa kanya ni Jella. At siya rin swerte kay Jella. Both of them. Nag-meet na ba kayo? Super swerte nila sa isa't isa. I think sa lahat ng friends ko, sila yung may pinaka-healthy na relationship. Healthy and strong. Super. Nagsaludo ako sa kung paano sila sa isa't isa sa relasyon nila. And I feel like part din sa growth niya yun, si Jella. Malaking factor.
Nakakatuwa nga pag kinakwento niya paano sila pagka di okay, ganun. Grabe ang week na to. Taas baba ang emosyon mo.
Hindi,
Go lang.
Come na.
Go lang. Pero yun gusto ko mag-open. Sabihan mo lang.
You will. Mga actors Q lang.
Parang. Naalala ko kung saan. Oo. Ako ba ever nag-open ako nun?
Oh?
Naging open na.
Before ba?
Hmm.
Yeah. Kaya nga kita nag-guess, tsaka... Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Siya eh.
Yeah. Nag-open up yun.
Siya.
Actually, gusto nga kitang kamustahin nun.
Bago pa lang, parang wala pang 1 week or 1 week pa lang. Yung friends ko, medyo may tension na kami nun eh. Nakausap ko sila sa Truecaller. Alam mo, sinabi sa akin, ang pangit, ibahin mo mukha kang ano. Alam mo yung sa isang movie na international na may light na ganun sort. SW.
Oh.
Tapos may bald guy na white guy, tapos di ba pag ganun yung ilong. Yun yung sinabi sa akin, mukha kang ganyan.
Kailan ba nila?
And then like, alam mo, hindi ko alam anong sasabihin ko. Yung sinabihan nila ako, ibahin mo yan, ang pangit pa bago mo. And then,